Hi guys, this is May Navarro, and if you're new to my channel, you can click the subscribe button para every time na mag-upload ako ng new videos ko, you'll be notified for any skincare tips and for any lifestyle na pwede nating matutunan. So right now, we're going to tackle about kilikili problems. So number one yan talaga na problems nating mga girls and even yung mga boys. So, lahat naman tayo pinagpapawisan. It's a natural for us na pagpapawisan talaga. But how do we manage kapag pinagpapawisan tayo? So, here are some factors or mga sources kung saan natin nakukuha yung body odor and how could we treat. So, I want to share few things na maybe new to you or siguro sa iba alam na nila, but I want to share some tips on how we could manage and to treat those body odors, especially yung mga women na matagal ng problem to. So if you want to learn, just keep on watching.
Body odor is a mix of bacteria and sweat on our skin.
So ibig sabihin nun guys, ang body odor na form dahil yung pawis natin sumasama sa bacteria that causes body odor, kaya mabaho siya. So body odor changes due to food na kinakain natin, sometimes yung mga hormonal changes sa katawan natin, infections, medications, or those underlying conditions like diabetes. So these are some causes of body odor. So ano nga ba yung mga factors na nagkakos ng body odor?
Factors like hot weather, stress, extreme exercises, overweight and obesity, and genetics may cause body odor.
So, nalaman na natin yung mga factors na nagkakos ng body odor. So, punta naman tayo sa mga foods na pwedeng makakontribute for body odor. Some of these are onions, garlic, red meat, broccoli, cauliflower, caffeine, yung mga spices, mga maanghang, spicy food, hot sauce, MSG, and most of all, alcohol. Some of the foods na na-mention ko kanina. So, nalaman din natin yung mga foods na nakaka-contribute to our body odor and yung mga factors na pwedeng makakontribute. So, punta naman tayo sa treatment. So, how can we treat body odor and how can we manage?
First is to shower every day. Keep your armpits shaved. Wear loose fitting clothes. And apply deodorant or antiperspirant. And then, fifth is to remove those smelly food. And the last is to reduce stress.
Elaborate lang natin guys yung mga treatment or management for your body odor. So first is yung showering every day. So by using antibacterial soap para for the day, ma-remove yung mga bacteria. And then second is yung keeping your armpit shaved kasi, or yung mag-wax kayo or any process or procedure na ginagawa nyo to remove your hair. Kasi yung hair can be a breeding cause of bacteria. And then third is wear loose fitting clothes para ma-allow yung skin natin to breathe. And nag-a-apply din yan sa mga underwears and for your bras also. And then using antiperspirant or deodorant. So I have here some recommendations na ginagamit. So these are spray. Kung ayaw nyong mag-roll-on kasi nagmamadali kayo para mag-dry. And then your deodorant or roll-on naman which last 8 hours. So, mag-apply ka ulit kapag feeling mo pinagpapawisan ka ulit. And then at night, you can use naman yung Deo Tawas na nilalagyan ng water or roll-on naman if hindi nyo gusto yung Deo stick. So, marami pang mga products sa market. You can check it kung anong masiyang sa inyo. So, meron pa yung Deo stick, yung mga powder, ganon, or serum na nakakatulong din for our armpits. And then, try to remove smelly food from our diet. Ibig sabihin nun, bawasan natin yung mga nakakakos ng body odor like onions, yung alcohol, and even yung garlic, spicy foods. So, these are the main factors that trigger body odor. And then, of course, and the most important is to reduce our stress. Kasi yung hormone natin or yung glands natin, mas lalong nagpa-produce ng sweat kapag nai-stress tayo. And stress can cause your glands to activate. So, hope you have learned a lot for this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe and like this video para ma-notify kayo for any videos na i-upload ko. So, have a blessed week, everyone. Have a nice day. Bye!